Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change units on a scale easily. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have this scale that I will be using, okay? And I'll show you how to change units on this specific scale. However, most scales are gonna have a very similar way to change units. So you can probably take the instructions that I'm showing you and either apply them directly to your own body weight scale or just change them slightly because maybe the button is gonna be in a different location or something like that. But for the most part, this will be a simple guide that you can basically use for most scales that you'll find, okay? So basically, you want to take a moment and look around the scale. Start by looking at the front and look for anything that's going to be labeled unit, okay? Or anything that would let you know that it would change the unit. There's nothing on this front side of this scale. However, when I go to the underside, there's a button over here. As you can see, it says unit, okay? So that's the button right here that can change the unit. Very simple. So I'm going to basically lift the scale up. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put my finger on that button and I'm going to push it. And I'm going to show you how it changes the unit. So give me a moment. I'm going to turn the scale on. There we go. Holding it up. You can see right now we're in pounds. I have my fingers on the button right there. And if I push it, kilograms, pounds, kilograms, pounds. And I can push it over and over again. And it's going to change the unit. Very simple. Now, to top it off, you can actually go and most times, so this, for instance, is like in terms of this is a measurement of the person, right? So centimeters or feet, centimeters or feet. I'm pushing that same button. So it can change the unit in terms of multiple different things on the scale. Very, very simple, okay? And that's it. I don't know if that's at 6'7" or something. I'm 5'7". I'm not 6'7". I wish. Anyways, yeah, that's basically it. It is that simple. The reason I'm pushing on the balanced parts over here. That's why the number's going up. I'm acting as if someone's standing on it. But anyways, that's it. It is literally that simple. That is the easiest way for you to change units on a scale. And like I said, just look around your scale, find the button on your scale, and it should work in a very, very similar way. You might have to hold it down maybe, or push it like I did. But for the most part, it should be very, very similar in terms of how to do it. And that's it. Hopefully you liked the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.